Leo's shop was thriving, but his financial records were quietly becoming chaos. Whenever paperwork appeared, Leo found something more enjoyable to do. At last, he opened a powerful accounting app without learning the basics. His first shortcut sorted unrelated purchases into one confident-looking pile. Then a duplicate entry made one ordinary sale seem strangely important. Every quick fix created an even stranger trail through receipts and screens. Soon, Leo could not tell which money belonged to which decision. That confusion revealed the truth. Bookkeeping was part of running the business. Instead of another shortcut, Leo decided to ask a professional for help. Maya turned the tangled records into a clear, manageable starting point. With dependable support, Leo could finally focus on serving his customers. Because strong businesses treat bookkeeping as a priority, not an afterthought.